Good day everyone! Welcome to our video tutorial about sinking funds and amortization schedule. In this video, we will explore how these two financial tools can help you save and pay off debts smarter and not harder. But before that, let me introduce myself first. I am Luna Mary P. Nimes, together with my partner Jordan J. Ramos. And now, let's begin with our video tutorial. Have you guys heard or know what is sinking funds and amortization schedules? If no, then you should watch this video. So what is sinking funds and amortization schedules? Sinking fund is a savings method where you set aside money regularly to accumulate a specific amount in the future. On the other hand, amortization is a process of gradually paying off a loan through regular payments that cover both principal and interest. So we have four objectives. First is to explain the basic concepts of sinking funds and amortization. Second, to guide learners in creating sinking fund and amortization schedules using Excel. Third is to demonstrate how or what to use Excel functions. And fourth, to enable viewers to apply Excel tools in solving real-life financial problems. So sinking fund is a savings plan where you regularly set aside a fixed amount of money to accumulate a specific amount in the future. Its purpose is to help you prepare for a future expense such as buying equipment, paying a debt, and replacing an asset without needing to borrow. Also, corporations use them to pay off bonds, while individuals use them for planned costs like car repairs, vacations, or down payments. This method helps avoid debt by breaking a large expense into smaller, manageable payments, thereby reducing financial stress. So here are the key terms of sinking fund. We have contributions, interest, and future value. Contribution is our PMT, or the regular deposits you make into the fund, while the interest is our I, the amount your money earns over time based on the interest rate. And also the FB, or our future value, is the total amount your sinking fund will grow to after all contributions and interest have been added. So, my partner will show you on how to use Excel.
Good day everyone, my name is Jordan J. Ramos. In this video, I'm going to teach you on how to use Excel on sinking fund. Here we have a problem. You want to save 5,000 pesos in 3 years to put a down payment on new car. You decide to set up a sinking fund, which is a dedicated saving account that earns an annual interest rate of 8% compound monthly. We have here that our J is 8%, which is 0.08. Our M is monthly, so it's 12. Our time, or T, is 3, since 3 years. Our present value is 0. And future value is 5,000 pesos. 5,000. To ang rate kay J over M. J over M. And to ang N per is T times M. Then ito ang pangitaon si PMT. Butang sa natoon na ang equal sign, open parenthesis, then i-follow na ning naka-guide na dire, which is kani una kay rate, comma, N per, comma, PV, comma, then minus if V kay mo may na value, and comma, then base problem 0, then close parenthesis, then enter natay PMT. Then first month, ito sa beginning balance, butang na to si percent value. PMT, copy lang natin yung PMT diri. Then interest, beginning balance times rate. Then sa increase found, beginning balance ay PMT rather plus interest, which is pares lang, and outstanding balance is beginning balance plus increase fund. Natay first sa unang months magbayad ka og 123.35 pesos. So second month is copy nato si outstanding balance. Then PMT copy lang gyapon nato, pero magbutang na tag $sign sa before and after sa later. And interest rate is beginning balance times rate, and magbutang-butang $sign sa before and after sa rate, and i-plus lang nato ni si PMT plus interest. Then and sa outstanding amount ato nang gyapon siyang beginning balance plus increase fund. So natay pangkadawang month ato na siyang i-drag, sunod-sunod na siya. Itong target nato is 5,000 pesos sa 36 months. So banahan nato sa 36 months kulang 36 months. So maura to. Thank you.
So let's proceed to amortization schedule. Amortization is the process of gradually paying off a loan through regular, fixed payments. Each payment is divided into two parts. One portion goes to the interest, and the other portion reduces the principal or the original amount borrowed. The significance of amortization is that it helps borrowers understand how their loan balance decreases over time and how much they pay toward interest versus principal. So here are the key concepts of amortization schedule. We have principal, interest, payment schedule, and amortization period. Again, my partner will show you how to use Excel on amortization schedule.
In this video, I'm going to teach you on how to use Excel on amortization. Here we have a problem where Jamila borrows 750,000 to buy a house and repays it in equal monthly installment over 4 years at an interest rate of 21% compound monthly. So to ang J there is 0.21 M, since compound monthly, so 12 times this 4 since 4 years. So ang percent value kay 750,000, and percent future value is equal to 0. To ang rate is J over M. Then rate T times M, which is 48 months. And to find the PMT, type lang equal, then PMT and open parenthesis. I-follow lang nato ni naka-guide na diri, which is rate, per, PV. Since na may value ang PV, i-minus na to siya. Future value, sa problem, 0 siya kay and wala may nakabutang og mga beginning of period. Then close parenthesis, go. Natay PMT 23,224.27 pesos. So first month, copy na nato ning present value and PMT, copy po nato ni, and interest times lang sa beginning balance times rate. Then increase found is PMT minus interest. Then sa outstanding balance is beginning balance minus increase fund. Then naa na tayo 739,900.73 pesos. So na siyang i-copy sa pangkaduhang bulan. I-copy lang natin sa outstanding amount. Then copy po na to again si PMT, pero magbutang na ta og $sign sa before and after sa later. And interest para sa nangyapon gain na beginning balance times rate. Para sa gain na sa PMT, magbutang ta og $sign sa rate. Then increase fund ato lang ni siyang i-minus si PMT minus interest. Then outstanding balance, beginning balance minus increase fund. Since manata sa pangkaduha nga bulan, ito na siyang i-drag hababa, which is target ato nga months is 48 and 0. Need na to siya nga ma-0 sa 48 na bulan. So 48 months siguro dire. Kulang pa. So yes. So maara to on how to use Excel and amortization. Thank you.